Hello everyone, we are going to discuss thermal effect of current. When potential difference V is applied across the end of the conductor, then the flow of electron is obstructed due to the continuous collision of these electrons with the molecule and the atom in the conductor. The electrical energy in the conductor is dissipated to overcome this hindrance, which is called resistance, and then the work done against the resistance is appear in the form of heat. So we can say that as a result, when current passes through it, the conductor becomes heated. So the production of heat in a conductor when an electric current pass through it is known as heating effect of electric current. This effect used in electric heater, geyser, electric press. Now we can derive the formula of generated heat. So let us consider that a resistor with the resistance R and carrying current I and the potential difference across the end of the conductor is V. Then work done when Q amount of charge is flow from one point to the another point is given by W is equals to QV. This is the same work done we earlier studied in electric potential. So here is Q and V. We know that electric current I is equals to Q upon T. That means Q is equals to I T. Again V. By the Ohm's law, we can write V is equals to I R. So the work done becomes W is equals to I T multiply I R. That is W is equals to I square R T. This work done is dissipated as heat. Then we can write generated heat as is equals to W is equals to I square R T. Here we get generated heat as is equals to I square R T. By this we can say that generated heat is directly proportional to square of electric current. And second, generated heat directly proportional to the resistance. Generated heat directly proportional to the resistance of the conductor. And Third is generated heat is directly proportional to the time interval in which we provide the electric current. Generated heat is directly proportional to time interval in which we provide electric current. This law is also known as Joule's law of heating. So, this is the thermal effect of electric current. Here we have numerical on the basis of thermal effect of electric current. We know that generated heat H is equals to I square RT. What is the numerical? A resistance coil of dichrome of resistance 50 ohm is joined to a battery 10 volt. The current is passed through it 1 hour. So we know that R is equals to 50 ohm, V is equals to 10 volt, and I. First we get I. And what is I? V is equals to IR. Then I is equals to V upon R by the Ohm's law. So V is equals to 10 volt and R is equals to 50. This is 0.2 ampere. Now we can get generated heat. What is H is equals to I 0.2 square multiply R 50 ohm multiply T 1 hour. 1 hour is equals to 60 multiply 60 seconds. So 0.04 multiply 5 multiply 6 multiply 6 36 multiply 5 5 is the 30 0 3 carry 5 is 15 or 3 80 180 and 1 2 and 3. So we can get 1 2 and 3. By this 100 we can cancel 2 zeros. So we can get H is equals to 18 multiply 4 72 and remaining 0 Joule. This is the generated heat. Okay.